In this guide, I'll show you how to zoom and navigate the Gantt chart. There are several ways to do this. Let's start with the zoom buttons in the upper right corner. The first one is Zoom to Fit. By clicking this, the Gantt chart automatically adjusts to fit the entire page. Then we have Zoom Out, to see a wider timeline, and Zoom In, to get a closer look at the details. And of course, I can always return to Zoom to Fit. Another way to zoom is by defining an area with the mouse. I simply click and drag to select the area I want to zoom in on, and when I release, that area fills the screen. If I'm not satisfied, I can right-click anywhere in the chart header to go back to the previous zoom level. For example, if I want to focus only on September, I can just click the September cell, and the Gantt chart zooms in on that month. Or, if I want to see the whole of quarter 4, I click that cell, and it zooms in on the entire quarter. Now let's look at navigation. At the bottom, you'll find the scroll bar, which lets me move through the timeline horizontally. I can also click here to jump a few days at a time. Or I can select 1 week to zoom in on that period. Another useful feature is the divider between the task list and the Gantt chart. By dragging it to the left, I can give the Gantt chart more space on the screen. Then, if I click Zoom to Fit again, I get a clear and nicely balanced view of the entire project timeline. The benefit of mastering these tools is that you can always adjust the Gantt chart to match your needs. You can zoom out to see the big picture, zoom in to focus on details, or highlight just the period that matters right now. This makes it much easier to plan, monitor progress, and keep your project under control. And that's how you zoom and navigate the Gantt chart in Starbrix.